What is going on, Lit Army? I hope everybody's having a great morning. My name is Bleez. We are here to talk about the price action on the Lit token. We're going to look at it down a little bit on the day. The Ethereum, look, the world is struggling right now with what's going on in cryptocurrency. Hopefully, we're going to see a nice little spike in it at some point once we get some clarity about Genesis. But this is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast, then again around bedtime. Bet this, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
All right, guys, I want you to see what we're talking about right here. What we're looking at in this regard is we're looking at what's really developed itself into a parallel channel, which means that coming down off of this, there is a potential for some downside action because it's coming from the top over here, and you've basically created an upside down flag. Now, when you look at that, that's generally a bearish sentiment. Now, problem with the bearish sentiment, if there is such a thing as a problem with it, I don't think anybody's shorting Lit right now, but the market cap's about 199,000. And volume was about 12,000 yesterday, 2,000 today. I mean, this is a crypto winter. It's feeling really, really cold right now. So when you look at this, the most likely scenario is not a break to the downside. I do think that we've hit what would be the local bottom. You can see it basically over here. There's not much more bottom for them to hit, and you can see it's tested it about 3 times. If I were to just kind of take this out, hashtag not bragging. But if I just kind of take this out in this channel all the way back here, you can see like we've really kind of formed a channel. Now, the good thing is this is an upward facing channel, which means that we're continuing to add new holders. Now, that being said, if the market spikes, and I do think that we're due for a little bit of a spike because we're about 24 hours away from the Fed notes being released. And I do think that people will have an opportunity to price everything in, but I don't think that Lit's going to be affected by that because I get this sense that we are ready for at least something of a move to that upside. And I'm trying to make this channel just right here so you can see it. But I mean, you can see here that we've tested and respected the tops and the bottom of this channel for a long period of time, other than this little breakout right here. So this means that we are accumulating and continuing to add new holders. Now, here's the thing, and I want you guys to consider something here. If I just take this and we just continue to play this out and just say that the guys continue to do the job that the guys continue to do. And then we start to look at time frames here, right? And we start to add to the time frame here. Then, let's just do that and let's pop it right there. And what we're looking at now on a 4-hour chart is we're looking at this is the price action. This is the way this thing has been moving consistently. And you can see right here, we're trading at 23.95 right now. To have that right, 23.95. But here's the thing. At the beginning of 23, we're going to be trading at a minimum of 4,000 with an upside of 62. So that's without a breakout. That's just accumulating new holders. I want you guys to understand what I'm trying to say here is over the long term, this thing is going to continue to break out. And you should pay attention to stuff like this because this is the type of technical analysis that matters. You are watching this thing continue to accumulate more holders, and you're continuing to see new investors being added in. Like, this is a big deal, okay? And that means that you're going to start to mint newer highs and higher lows. And as this goes, you're going to continue to feel a little bit better about your investment. And these spikes right here, there's another big spike coming because if this market turns around, there's something that I have that I can't share with you yet because I need the video of it. And there's some real big details that go along with it that we're going to get to in the coming days, weeks. And this is a big deal. Lit swap, which is what we're talking about here. Lit swap is going to be phenomenal. And when you see it start to play out in action, you're going to be excited too. Let's move on. All right, guys, that's my time for the day. I just want you guys to understand that if you're an investor, this is the kind of thing that you're looking for. You're looking for something that's moving in an upward channel and continuing to accumulate new hodlers. Now, what that does, again, is it mints higher lows. And that's all you want in cryptocurrency, because if you buy the bottom always rises. It's not financial advice. My name's Bleaves, and I'm always right.
I'm looking for the good life, sitting on top